Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. Wish you a very, very, very happy new year. And we're starting the year with Love Bites. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Cancer. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And newbies, we welcome you in as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, so somebody, okay, okay. Ouch, 10 of Swords, center of my spread. Cancer, what you dealing with here? Okay. Okay, so bottom of my deck, I have the Hermit. So somebody's in deep thought, deep reflection about maybe their past actions. Somebody does want a passionate new beginning. They do want to bring justice to a situation where there could have been a lot of drama, maybe a fight, maybe bad words said, maybe somebody lied or cheated or sneaked away and kind of damaged this connection in a very bad way. Maybe you guys are not talking to each other, not messaging each other right now, but somebody does want to end this conflict and have this 10 of Cups. Now, I don't know what they're thinking because I still have a 6 of Pentacles in reverse as my last card. So I'm going to start Cancer with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify these cards. So Cancer and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person spirit, if they could say something. All right. Let's take a few more Cancer from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Cancer and their person. Thank you. And a couple more from a third deck as well. Let's mix it up. Cancer and their person. All right, good to go, Cancer. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I get so frustrated by the intense telepathy, the dreams, and the strong sexual energy, even though I'm alone. Your hunger and desire has me burning up, but you're nowhere to be found. The passion is an all-consuming, unextinguishable fire, and it's driving me crazy. Somebody is very, very frustrated. I do see that. Look at the passion. Look at the frustration. My God. Okay. I've never loved anyone the way I love you. I didn't expect to feel so much. But your stone-cold silence broke me. The pain is like grief. It feels like my lover died and I died along with them. No wonder we have the 10 of Swords as our center theme of this reading. Okay, next says, why do you try and downplay our connection even when you know the importance it holds? You know who we are to each other. Why do you try and dismiss it? This really cuts deep, like a knife to the heart. I hunger for your touch, your kiss, and the warmth of your body. I want and I need you now. I didn't run from you, I ran away from myself. It's all down to my deep fear of rejection and insecurities. I told you somebody escaped, ran away, snuck away, cheated, lied, did something. But they're saying I didn't run from you. I ran from myself. I'm involved with someone else and it wouldn't be fair to either of you to pursue our connection at this time. Well, you would know if that's a lie or not. This situation is messy. What I'm in most of need of, you cannot give me. So Cancer, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first, okay? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Cancer. Speak your truth. That's the advice, Cancer. I mean, instead of feeling this way, and accepting it and not talking to each other, I think it's best for you or both of you to kind of clear your, whatever you need to say to each other and have it out. Then decide what you want to do further. So that's the advice from my angels. Speak your truth. Now let's get on with the reading. So Spirit, what's this Ace of Wands? Ace of Wands with the Justice card. Ace of Wands. Somebody had a choice to make. Oh, somebody is choosing. Somebody is choosing. They're getting enlightened about the connection. Why this connection didn't start off well. I think they do want to return. They're making that choice now. They still have a lot of passion here, Cancer. I think somebody wants to do the right thing now. Since the Justice card is in the upright, yes, they want to heal this connection. They want to balance it out. They're feeling very ungrounded without their partner, feeling like a King of Pentacles in reverse. Maybe in the past this person wasn't ready or they didn't want to commit. They might have snuck away, just feeling ungrounded to an extent where they were probably, not looking at the spiritual side of this connection, maybe seeing it just as a passionate encounter. But somebody knows to bring it back into that healing, balanced place. There's a need for an apology. Okay. So why is the Knight of Swords in reverse, Spirit? Why is the Knight of Swords in reverse? Okay, so there's been a fight. There's been a fight. Somebody's, maybe waiting for divine timing for this Queen of Wands to stop being that upset and angry with them. Maybe this Queen of Wands after this fight has kind of closed off or has been upset, right? This is somebody who's upset, angry after some very bad behavior, I would say. Yes, they are waiting maybe on the right time now to apologize, hoping that this Queen of Wands would lower their defenses now. They're realizing that this connection has become totally imbalanced now. Maybe somebody was only breadcrumbing or giving to more than one. I don't know. There was some cheating, lying behavior which happened here with the Seven of Swords. Yes, oh my God. Yes, see, this could be third parties. Somebody did something they shouldn't have, and that's what landed up being the cause of this destruction. This card is not here once but twice here now. Okay, this is like feeling totally betrayed. What's the Ten of Swords, Spirit? Ten of Swords. Again, Three of Pentacles in reverse. And the Two of Cups in reverse with the Hierophant. Well, somebody didn't do the right thing. They never committed. Maybe their person was expecting a commitment from them. Maybe whoever this person was who was cheating, they didn't believe in a soulmate connection, or they maybe were working with third parties because 333 just keeps coming up. So, maybe that's the reason of this soulmate connection being in reverse at the moment. Somebody feels they've lost the love of their life, especially now that there is no maybe messaging, no talking. 1 second. Yeah, the Empress is in reverse now. The Empress is in reverse. Maybe this Empress is the one who was looking forward to this passionate new beginning, maybe hoping it would reach that level of, that soulmate connect where we would be happy for the rest of our lives and we'll be together. But that offer wasn't made. That commitment wasn't given. Maybe this Empress felt disrespected. Empress is in reverse, right? Feeling that, they were not given that respect that they commanded. So, what's the Six of Swords, Spirit? Six of Swords. Oops, sorry. Dropped a card. Okay, somebody does want to try again. They do want a second chance here. They do want to take some action. They've realized now. I think in this little time that they've been by themselves, and now they've seen that their person is now holding back, has become strong, is no longer coming towards them, no longer messaging them. I think in this silent time that this person has spent by themselves, they are now realizing that their wish fulfillment is with this Empress. They do want to end the conflict. They do want both of you to have that peace and harmony once again. Maybe in the past, this person was sitting in their little greedy energy. They didn't want to have commitment, but now I think they do, because the next card is the Ten of Cups. This is like emotional happiness, forever and ever, being together, having a family. What's this Ten of Cups, Spirit? Ten of Cups. Okay, but something came out. Something came out about their trickster ways. See, back into hermit mode. This person's been put into hermit mode, I think, to think about their own behavior. Something was revealed about them, or something came out in the open, which probably broke this Empress's heart. There was injustice that was done to this Empress by a trickster. This person did something shady here, okay? A magician in reverse is, well, a trickster who creates illusions and doesn't really live by their word. And that's the reason for the Six of Pentacles being in reverse. So, yes, see? Okay. Same cards are repeating. This Empress has their sword up now. They have their sword up. They become very strong. They probably have trust issues now. They are not going to take this person back just like that. I think they've totally stopped now communicating or messaging or anything like that, because of this this offer was not made. And this Empress has decided, I'm not going to get fooled again. I've already been fooled once. This Queen of Pentacles in reverse this is like the perfect spouse, right? The person you have for the long haul. But when this is in reverse, give me one more card, Spirit, for the Six of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, somebody feels that somebody feels left out in the cold. They feel they've lost their chance to have that Ten of Pentacles. I have a feeling they still want to work on it. This little time in hermit mode is, I think, enlightening this person. They seem to be in deep depression at the moment. So what's the Hermit card, Spirit, for Cancer? What's the Hermit? Oh my God. They are now recognizing that they caused the tower to blast between the two of you. They are realizing what they've done. They were really exhibiting bad behavior, right? This is like somebody playing mind games or pushing the other person down to just having fights for the sake of fighting, to just so they can win, and always making their person feel not good enough. But they were doing this to an Empress. Well, they drained this Queen of Cups totally out. This Queen of Cups doesn't have any love left to give, and they're recognizing that. They're recognizing why they've lost the love of their life, because of their own bad behavior. It's not without reason the Hermit has come out twice for them. This could be you, Cancer, I don't know. You could have done this to your person, and now you're understanding how your bad behavior caused your person to, well, get depleted. Or vice versa. You could be the person who's the Empress and somebody did that to you. So yes, it's a good idea. Instead of just staying in hermit mode, go speak your truth, clear the air. One way or the other, either you'll get together or you'll find closure, right? Spirit's advice is speak your truth. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Cancer. Till next time then, Wednesday, I guess. Love and light. Namaste.